Hi guys, my name is Abdulbari Tuana and my position is Head of Activity Organization. At DEC there are 3 different kinds of groups, which are academic group, discipline group and social responsibility.
Hello everyone, my name is Dyako. I'm social responsibility leader. Our job is to keep the environment safe and clean the garden.
Hello everyone, my name is Lihad Lovan. I'm grade 4A and I'm a discipline leader. In the activities organization, there's a department called the discipline department. We have 4 prefects: cafeteria prefect, lineup prefect, anti-bully prefect, and classroom prefect. The cafeteria's prefect's job is to help clean the cafeteria. The lineup's prefect is to check on the students during the lineup time. The classroom's prefect is to help assist the teacher before she enters the class. The anti-bully's job is to help check on students if they are bullying or running. If they are bullying or running, the prefect will advise them to not repeat it, to not get detention.
Hello everyone, my name is Aisha Abbas and I'm a child teacher. I finished high teacher for 5 months and I teach during lunch or breakfast and I teach Kurdish and English. It makes me very happy to see my students learning and improving. I teach them reading and writing, to blend letters and to write on the lines. I teach my students to read, write and recognize the words in English and Kurdish. Eventually our aim is to teach our own students to help each other and learn.